This is nature, as you have never seen it before. Welcome to a world so diverse, so unique, and so full of life that it draws people from around our planet to experience the wild joys of living. This is the Cape Floral Region, one of 6 World Heritage Sites in South Africa and the home of CapeNature. It is not only our responsibility to protect animals and plants in nature, it is also our responsibility to share nature with people and let them explore for themselves how we are a part of nature. That is why we at CapeNature have a vision of establishing a successful conservation economy, one that incorporates research and conservation, the management of water catchment areas and wildfires, and of course, recreational activities. Our innovative solutions to sustainable tourism development, such as odorless toilets that produce compost, solar showers that recycle grey water into indigenous gardens, and natural swimming pools that use plants instead of chemicals to keep the water clean, means you can enjoy holidays in harmony with nature. What's more, we are continuously implementing creative new ways to involve communities in and around our nature reserves. By providing communities with the opportunity to enjoy the benefits of these natural resources in a responsible and sustainable manner, we ensure that there will always be nature left to explore. The Western Cape is the world in one province. Here you can find, in a single nature reserve, more endemic species than in some countries. This truly is nature, as you have never seen it before. Some come to feel the soil alive beneath their boots. To follow the flowing river, to take in the bigger picture, framed only by the horizon. Some come to spend a night in nature and to do so in comfort. Others come to dare, to conquer a mountain or their own fear, or just for the rush. Some choose to roll a sleeping bag out under the stars, while others laze around a shady campsite by the riverside. And some come just to unwind in a peaceful cottage with a never-ending view. Some come to explore nature at their own speed. Others to experience the speed of nature, her rhythm and her flow. Some come to escape the bustle of the city for a few days. Others to catch up with themselves and their families. Some come to explore the wilderness by day, and then tell stories around a fire as night falls. To glimpse the planets. But all come to experience the wild joys of living and to explore nature as they have never seen it before. CapeNature. Conserve, explore, experience.